Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, July 26th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold, yesterday I said I was looking for a bear position on the break of the low of yesterday's candle, which happened because of the indecision doji, and then the next day we had a red day breaking the low of the indecision doji, and then today, obviously, when it broke the low of today, I was looking for a bear position. Of course, FOMC, never know what's going to happen. Bulls bought the dip in a big way. It's clearly increasing bull volume here. Back tested the 8 EMA, and breaking this recent high here of 1259 is pretty strong for the bulls. But the real level that I liked that the bulls broke is this recent level here of 1260 that I've been talking about in my past videos. 1260 was a big resistance. We got up to 1259 and started pulling back. So this bull break above 1260 is looking really good for the bulls here. So the next resistance we'll look at here is 1284.20. And then, of course, that 1300 level we haven't broken in a while. We got all the way up to 1298.80. More importantly, this weekly downtrend, we're right at it again. We are right at that weekly downtrend again that goes all the way back to 2012. And again, we've gotten above this downtrend line on the weekly, but haven't been able to close above it. So we'll see if bulls are finally able to press above this downtrend line and close above it and see some momentum to the upside here if we break bull here on it. And I think right now bulls are in absolute full control on this daily chart. And I did not get in a bull position because I was looking bearish. I did break even on my gold bear entry yesterday. But again, we do have a TCG bull cross on the daily, and those have been good. Mentioned a few days ago that TCG bull crosses and then getting above the 20 MA here have had some good upside here. And last couple times it's been really good for the upside here. The 20 MA is my purple line here. Currently, 20 MA is at 1235.60. So we have TCG bull cross above the 20 MA on the daily. Looks like we have a gap up on gold here. I haven't seen that in a while. A gap up here on futures. That's really strange to see in gold. But anyways, like that 1260 break. And we'll see how it does with this weekly downtrend line. That's the big thing I've been waiting for. I keep watching every time we get a push in gold. Every time I think we're going to close above it, it disappoints me. So we'll see how much momentum bulls have with 2 trading days left. You want to really see a break above this downtrend line with increasing bull volume. You can see we've had some decreasing bull volume here on the weekly. Higher bull volume here, then lower bull volume. So it's decreasing. We want to see an increase in bull volume as we break this downtrend line here. As far as the miners go, let's look at senior miners first. So senior miners, longer term, I'm still waiting for this pattern to break that I've mentioned in multiple videos. I wanted to set a higher high. So it continues to set lower highs and lower lows. And so I want to see this trend break by breaking this high here on this weekly pattern. And that high is at 2386. That would be a bull break for me. And if you want, you can draw a downtrend line here on the weekly to be watching for. So we have that downtrend line. It's going to get close to testing it this week. And it lines up exactly with the 50 MA, which is at 23.22. So we'll see how that resistance works out. And then, of course, if we're able to clear this recent high of 23.86, we do break the trend by setting a higher high on the weekly. As far as the daily goes on this chart, the daily here has broken this recent high attempt here at 22.81. So that is a bull break. There was some profit taking at the end of the day. And I think it was smart to lock in profits with such a big move. And the hourly RSIs on so many time frames. 5-minute was overbought. Hourly is still overbought. So something to watch out for is that the hourly is overbought. So as it consolidates, we'll see where the new supports are formed on the hourly. On the junior miners, let me just look at the weekly chart first. So weekly chart, same thing. You want to see increasing bull volume. I'd like to see junior miners have been able to keep a higher low here so far, unlike the senior miners. And I think ABX has its earnings tomorrow morning, so we'll see how ABX affects the senior miners and the miner market overall. We're seeing with gold strength. So ABX is one of the biggest holdings in the senior miner basket ETF. So something to watch out for. So on the weekly here, we need to break this recent long upper wick of profit taking here of 35.05. So that's the resistance to watch for on the weekly. The daily, what was that? The daily, strong green candle today. Come on. Strong green candle today, increasing bull volume, 100 MA resistance here, but still, again, really watching these price resistance levels more than anything. And right now, 34.21 is the next daily resistance that we're going to watch for. 34.21. Supports is going to be the low here recently of 32.24, and then this low of 31.678. And if we consolidate, if we have any kind of pullback and we consolidate, we really want to hold above this low here of 31.78. So that's it for the my gold analysis. Admittedly, I was looking for a bear play and thought I had nailed it pretty well on the daily because of that indecision doji red day yesterday, and then once it broke the low of yesterday that I mentioned in my videos, was looking nice for bears, but I did miss that FOMC run up after because I was paying attention to other plays. Some people in the chat room definitely nailed it. Congrats to them. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.